how to add a payment method in Booksy. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you will learn how you can add a payment method in Booksy. And if you want to know how to go about it, just ensure you watch this video till the end. The first step is to log in into your Booksy account, just like I have done here. Move to the bottom right corner and click on the profile icon. After clicking on the profile icon on the profiles page, you would see some options such as family and friends, gift card, account settings, etc. And then once you can see that, the next step is for you to click on payments. After clicking on payments, we brought to the payments page, and then you can see payments method. So since you can see this, the next step is to move to the bottom part of the screen and click on add card. And so you'll be brought to the next stage. Here you have to enter in your card details, and to enter in your card details, just go ahead and click on the card number, type in the card number. After you're done with that, enter in the expiration date, enter in your CVV or your CVC, enter in your postcode, click on add card, and then just like that, your card will be added as a payment method on Booksy. So that is how it works. You might be asked to pay an amount of money or whatever, but it will be it will be a token. All right, and you can now make payments through your Booksy account. This is how you can add a payment method on Booksy. Ensure you try this out immediately. Thank you for watching.